First of all, apply sunscreen and don't forget the rule of 2 fingers. Contact lenses must be blue because Boa have blue eyes. Pure time. Some people may already know that I am MMD and PTSD. Chapstick is required to prevent dry mouth. For the skin part, I'll start with foundation. Just use my finger like tap tap tap. Next is oil contour powder and same step, tap tap tap. The eyes part, let's start with eyeliner. Here we go. Look at your character while wearing makeup, it helps a lot. Boa has over eyes without lower eyelashes. She doesn't wear much eyes makeup, so I'm going to apply a light brown eyeshadow. Next, wipe the eyeshadow with shimmer. Apply directly as an inliner to make the eyes look bigger. Yeah, same color, but use your finger to tap in the middle of your eyelid. Eyebrows part, I confess that I shaped my eye thinly to cosplay. She has straight brows, but we're going to draw straight as much as we can to resemble Boa the most. Use brown eyeshadow to make Dolly's eye. Actually, she doesn't have Dolly's eye, but to make our eyes look more anime, so we have to do it. And don't forget about the shimmer under the lower lash eye. Here we go, the hardest part for me, eyelashes. First, curve the eyelashes. Then use mascara to make it stay still. Put on false eyelashes and style them. Try to make them look like Boa's the most. For the face shape, I started by contouring my nose. Use highlighter on top of the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose between the eyes. For me, contouring is removing unwanted parts. Every part that you feel that you want to make it smaller, just do it, okay? Also use contour to make chin look longer and slimmer. Well, highlighter is about add a spotlight to your skin. Apply the area that you want them to stand out. And don't forget that Boa has a wide forehead. Face part is almost done. Well, I just blend it together. Actually, Boa doesn't have colors on her cheek, but it will help a lot with shooting. Mouth part. I made my mouth look smaller with eyeliner. Draw small triangles, then use your finger to blend it out. And use highlighter to tap on the middle of your mouth. Use brown color to make your mouth look 3D, more sharper, I think. Apply a thin layer of lipstick on your lips, on the upper too. And now makeup finish. Next up is hairstyle. Use oil to cover my hair before I use the flat iron. Style your hair like Boa Hancock. I love to try my real hair when cosplaying as Boa, because it's more convenient to style than a wig. Note, Boa has more curve on the base of her hair. Well, you cannot miss it if you want to look like her. Nearly done. This is my first tutorial, so if you don't understand, you can ask me anything below. I hope this can help.